there, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and I'm an independent sales ambassador with Avon, and today I thought I would do a fun makeup look using this pretty purple palette right here, which is called Temptress. And I thought I would try and do like a little bit of a monochromatic look, so kind of all purple. We're doing purple today. I don't know, it's kind of my thing. I'm not going to be using all Avon products, but I'll be using quite a few. I don't have everything in purple in Avon. So anyways, let's just get started. I've got a busy Sunday. I got lots of stuff to do. Today's like a washing day. So sheets, dog blankets, clothes, all that good stuff. So I'm going to start with this palette right here. This is a Viseart palette, or Viseart, or however you want to call it. It is an all matte palette, and I'm going to choose sort of this cooler gray right here. It's like a gray brown, and this palette is, well, it's amazing. It is expensive. I think it's like $80. I bought it a long time ago. When did I buy it? My date is worn off. 2015. Ooh, should I even say that? So this palette's pretty old, but it's perfect. Like, it doesn't smell. It still performs like it did when I bought it new. So, if your powder products are good, they're good. The way I think my powder products last a really long time is I'm always using a clean brush in my products. So that's how I think powder products last a long time. So I'm just gonna kind of pop this in my crease. And I just wanted something a little that was cooler toned than using a warmer shade. I actually use, what shade do I use a lot? I use this shade a lot right here, this one. I like that brown, it's really pretty. So just doing a little bit of get in my crease here. And I just did this look kind of yesterday, and I really liked it. I thought it was really pretty. So just doing a bit of that. Now, I did hit this color by accident because I wasn't paying attention. So I'm gonna just dip a little bit of this and darken this one up because I can tell the difference. And I didn't mean to do that. But when you're talking, and I don't usually talk and do my makeup at the same time, so I wasn't paying attention. So I'm gonna take like a little white there and just kind of do a little bit of the brow bone. And my makeup is certainly not any type of, perfection. It's just, I just kind of slap it on. There's no technique here whatsoever. Then I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to go into this darker purple right here. I'm going to put that on the outer corner, like so. And I like to do just little kind of patting motion, dragging motion, so that it doesn't have any fallout, because this is not a matte shadow. It is, it's a little sparkly. I think it's got a little sparkle to it. Let's see. I mean, it looks kind of matte, but it does have a little bit of a sheen to it. But it's really pretty. I like this palette a lot. I like purple eyeshadow in general, but I have to be careful with purple eyeshadow because if it's a bit too red-based, it just makes me look like I've had some type of disease. It just doesn't look very good on me. So, yeah. They need to be like a blue base, not even really blue base, but I think I just do best with neutral sort of colors. They're not really too blue based, or they're not too, warm toned. I don't know. It's kind of where my skin tone falls, I guess. Next, I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to put it on my finger like so. And I'm just going to pat it on like that. And then just kind of spread it out a little bit. Just like that. And it's super pretty. Ooh, super pretty. It does have a little bit of sparkle in it, but it doesn't have enough sparkle in it. So, why did I not have this ready? Because now I got all this over my finger. Let's see. So I have to take this off my finger. I'm gonna have to wash out my finger. Not prepared. Okay, and then I'm going to take this color from, I think this is Goddess. Yeah, this is Goddess. And this shade is so pretty, like right in the center of the lid. So I'm just gonna take a little like that and just put it right in the center, like sort of just tap, tap, tap. And it just adds this really pretty sparkle, and I kind of like it a lot. I mean, you wouldn't have to do this, but I think it's really pretty. And then I just kind of, you know, spread it around just a little bit so it's not so obvious. And then whatever I have left, I'll just kind of dust it up here. And it is a bit chunky, but yeah, it's okay. I don't mind chunky. It's fine for me. All right, and next up, I'm going to put a little bit of Blackest black liner on. I did tight line, just I did it off camera because when I tight lined, it's so irritating to me that my eyes just water, water, water. And it's really funny when I watch somebody else do it on camera, the same thing, my eyes just start watering. It's apparently not a good thing for me to do, but I really like it. I think it looks like the best. Tight lining, I just think it looks amazing. And really like what we finished, you know. And I like to take like a flat little guy and just drag this along. Just kind of spread it out a little bit. Because my eyelids are a little bit, well, they're not smooth, obviously. And so the liner can kind of drag on places, and that's not fun either. So I'm gonna put this on and then kind of drag it out. It goes on really smooth, but like I said, because my eyelids aren't smooth anymore, it tends to drag and you know, and skip. So it's not really the eyeliner fault. It's you know, an age thing. And that's okay. You know, no big deal. You just find the tools that work for you and make it work. All right. So on my lower lash line, I'm going to put this pretty purple, and this one is, what is this? Majestic Plum? This is Majestic Plum, because we're just doing all purple today. And why not? Like, I'm even going to do a purple blush and a purple lip. I will do that when I come back, though, after I do my hair. Because it was a hair wash day, which is honestly my favorite day. I just love clean hair. I just can't wash my hair every day anymore. It's so sad. I don't think my hair needs to be washed every day. It just, I just love it when it's just freshly washed. I don't like that I have to style it again, but I do like when it's freshly washed. Okay, and same thing, just kind of, you know, I could just kind of smooth that out. Make sure it's all looking decent. And then I'm just gonna take a little powder. This is that Laura Mercier powder, which is a powder, but I bought it on the hype because, oh, it's so finely milled. I'm like, you know, so I'm just gonna use it till it's gone. So I like taking a little bit of the powder and I just dust underneath my eye, just hopefully to hold that liner, because my liner will transfer, definitely. So, got a barking dog. She likes to bark for no apparent reason. So it's kind of annoying. So, and I'm just using the Glimmer eye pencil, which I really like. Of course, my only gripe is that it doesn't have a spoolie. A spoolie. The dog is distracting me because I'm annoyed that she's barking. During my video, of course, you know. Which took me forever to set up. I tried to do this in like the bedroom where I actually do my makeup, and I just couldn't. The camera, the tripod is just too big for that area, And so I had to move everything over here, which is kind of a pain. All right, next up is the Love, I don't even know what this is called. It's the eyebrow gel, FMG eyebrow gel. And what I like to do is, so that it remains clear and not gunky, because I can't stand that, is I just take a little off the tip on another spoolie and just kind of run that through so that hopefully the brows will not go anywhere today. I don't have too much problem with that. They usually stay where they need to stay. All right, what is fun? What is next? All right, is next is this blush, which is purple. And I bought this blush because if you recall, there was a time when that Dior lilac blush was so popular, and I was going to buy it. It was very expensive. Was it $30 or was it $65? I don't remember how much it was, but it was out of stock, and I put my name on the little wait list, you know, email me when it's back in stock. And in the meantime, I kind of went hunting around because I had to have this color. It was so unique, oh my goodness. And so I came up with this blush right here, which I don't know if it's a dupe or not, but it is kind of in that color family. It's kind of that purpley color. And this is by, it's a powder blush. It's in Radiant Orchid. So I don't know who the powder blush on. Talc and paraben free, number 48, Radiant Orchid. And I got it on Amazon. And when the Dior blush came back in stock, I didn't buy it because I had this one. I think it's just fine. So, but that, ooh, pretty bright. Let me turn the mirror around. And I'm just going to, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't put too much. Ooh, oh, she bright. Oh, he thinks I did too much. That's all right. We can just blend that out. And that looks really pretty. Oh, I like it. So yeah, I don't think you always need to buy the most expensive thing. I mean, the Dior packaging was really pretty. I mean, it really was, but yeah, cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my mascara off camera and do something with my hair and maybe get dressed, which would kind of be nice. And then I'll be right back and see what the dog was barking at. Don't go away. Hi there, I'm back. I did something with my hair and put on a purple top, a little purple ring, and a little purple jewelry. I'm just all about purple today. I don't know what's going on. If I thought ahead, I would have done my nails purple, but I did not think that far ahead. This is that Avon corduroy blouse, which I call the shacket. And it's sold out, but oh man, I love it. It's just, oh, it's so cozy. It's really cute. So if you got it, if you did, you were able to pick that up, cool. But yeah, it's sold out. And that's just always amazing to me how stuff at Avon sells out really quickly. So let's do a little lip. I'm going to do the FMG Glimmer matte lipstick in Sunset Mauve, because I have to put a label because I'll never see this. And as I've mentioned before, I do not like matte lipsticks, but the formula of this is really, really nice, and I love the color. So I just pop a gloss over top. I have a little bit of this on my lip. These are great, nice and thick, very moisturizing. So let me take that off. And let's put this on. I should do a lip liner, but I just haven't been doing lip liners. I do notice that I need a lip liner, but not today. We're just gonna play with this pretty color. And they go on are really smooth. That's what I like about it. They're just really smooth and really emollient, but of course, it just looks like the crypt on my lips because it kind of just sucks all the life out of me because because I have lip lines and I'm older, and so matte lipsticks not really my fan. I'm not a fan, but this is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Look at that. It's really pretty. I wear this quite often, even though I don't like a matte lipstick. But I usually top it with this really beautiful gloss from Beauty Counter. You know, I'm an equal opportunity network marketing purchaser. So what I do is to keep the integrity of this, and not because if I put this on, it's going to transfer the lipstick to this, and I try to keep things as clean as possible. So I just put a little bit on my finger and put it on. And this little lippy has the prettiest like little blue sparkles in it. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's really, really beautiful. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this monochromatic look with this beautiful palette right here. Oh, she is gorgeous. This is in Temptress. Yeah, this is great. So that is it for me. I think I'm gonna go have some lunch, and I may shoot another video. We shall see if I have time to do that. But anyways, I hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you later.